Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start Amazon affiliate marketing without a website. So essentially, I'm going to be walking you through the process of signing up for Amazon Associates, even if you don't have a traditional website. I'll be walking you through the filling out the Amazon Associates application process, using an alternative to the traditional website, and some additional tips and practices for you to complete the application. So without much further ado, let's get right into the video. So the very first step to getting started is that we want to head over to the Amazon Associates website, and you can find it by accessing your own Amazon website. So for example, if you live in the States, you would type amazon.com, and if you live in Germany, for example, you would type amazon.de. Now this is very important because when you sign up for the Amazon Associates program, your account will actually be created based on the website that you chose. So for example, if I use amazon.de to create my Associates account, then the products that I advertise to the German viewers or to the people buying from this specific website will only be earning an affiliate commission. So if your audience, viewers, or whoever you will be advertising your affiliate links to are mostly from the States, for example, then go ahead and sign up using the amazon.com website. Regardless of the website that you choose, scroll down all the way till the bottom and you will see Make Money With Us. And from there, you will see the Associates Program button, so go ahead and click on it. And then click on the prominent yellow button that says to register, and then you will be redirected to log into your Amazon account. So if you already have one, go ahead and sign in, and if you don't, then no worries, you can always create a new Amazon account specifically for the Associates program. And then from here we will start with the registration form and process. And the very first step to getting our application set and done is that we want to fill in our account information. And for that, you would have to enter your complete address information, such as name of payee, so this would be your name, and a first address line that you should add. Select the right city, country, region, and postal code, and you will also be asked to provide a phone number. You would also have to disclose whether you are subject to United States tax law or not. So once this information is filled, click on next. And now this is the step where you will be asked to add your website or any mobile applications. So instead of adding a traditional website, we will have to use anything else that can be a substitute. And this really could be just anything that you can advertise to people with. So any social media account with some sort of following, TikTok accounts, Instagram pages, or even Facebook pages will suffice here. Or you can simply add a YouTube channel if you have one with some sort of following. And even if you don't have a massive amount of following or viewers, you can still get accepted. You just have to prove to Amazon that you have some sort of platform that you will be posting content and sharing your affiliate links on. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my TikTok page, for example, and then click on next. After that, they will ask you what is your desired partner ID. So go ahead and select a name that is unique to you. Description of your website, so the kind of platform that we linked, and what kind of content generally that you will be posting on. You can add another category for the sort of content that you choose, fill in the rest of the application process that will be very straightforward to do, and then click on further. And once you've completed all of the required fields, you can simply submit your application and that's it. You will have successfully signed up for Amazon Associates using your own social media or YouTube channel as a substitute for a traditional website. And that will be all on today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.